Hello, barattoonni keenya bakka hunda jirtan akkam bultan, akkam ooltan, akkam waaritan, akkam jirtu. Our students all over the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and I hope all of you are fine. በዓለም ላይ ያላችሁ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ተማሪዎቻችን እንዴት አደራችሁ? እንዴት ዋላችሁ? እንዴት አመሻችሁ? እግዚአብሔር የተመሰገነ ይሁን። ሁላችን ደህና ነን። barnootni keenya har'aa jechoota afaan oromoo ta'anii afaan ingiliffaa fakkaatan adda baasuu. And this is the main objective of this is just to help you identify the Afan Oromo words that have similar orthography with English. Afan Oromo ቃላቶች ሆኖ የእንግሊዘኛ አጻጻፍ ያላቸውን ወርዶች ለይቶ ማሳየት ነው። So when we go into this session of in English is of in Afan Oromo, of a good, take care of yourself, ራስን ጠብቅ. አስነምን እንጅሩ, there is no one here, no one is here. እዚህ ማንም የለም. So of is self, ራስን ማለት ነው. As is what? Here. Achdemi gafad. Go and ask there. Ach means there in Afan Oromo. In has two meanings, hin or ni. An nidema, an idema, an indema. I will go or I go, it means. An mal jede. What did I say? An means not an, as we say in English, an egg, an elephant, as we say here. This one is different. An, it's a short form of ani. Animal jede. Addafikot at. It is not the one that we say proposition of English language, which is at the university, at the place, at the airport. Here at means ati, the short form of ati. At dafikot, come quickly, you come quickly. Ante tolona, anchi tolona እንደማለት ነው። So of a gaddu, as namni injiru, ach deemi gaafadhu, in an indeema, an maal jedhe. What did I say? At dafikot, you come quickly. Na, me, it means this is the objective case of the pronoun we. Malon and Isa, please leave me. All right, not we. Anyway, this one. I, the objective form of the pronoun I. የእኔ ተሳቢው መልኩ ነው። አን ማሎነን ኢሳ, please leave me. ኑ ኢሳን ኑ በርባዱ, they want us. So when we say nu in Afan Oromo, it means us, the object form of we. Si mo maltu si bochisa, si mo maltu si bochisa, what makes you cry? Anten ወይ አንቺን ደግሞ ምን ያስለቅስልሻል? So when you look at these words 1 2 3 tokko lama sadi afur shan ja'a torba saddeet sagali, there are 9 of them here. Salgan isaaniitu as jira. Isaan kun egaa of means in English it is a proposition, shows possession, but here of jechuun self it means. As means here, ach means there, in means not or indication of the present or future thing. An means I, at means you, na means me, nu means us, si means you. And this one is maybe in English here I can write something here. This means not, or it has two options. That's why I left it here. ሁለት አይነት ነው። ኖት ማለትም ነው ወይ ደግሞ እንደማለት ነው። ሶ it serves as a preposition እሄዳለሁ አንኒ ዴማ I will go so it has such meaning. So let's proceed. So we have got of, as, ach, in. So we have written this in numeric here. Oneself, an hiriyaa keetii maaloo na gargaari ati maal barbaaddaa as kootu achi deemi an in deemu. So it has the meaning of not or as indication of I don't go there, come here, what do you want? Egaa asirratti egaa of kan jedhu oneself or self it means. Isaan kun egaa they are not Amharic words. They are not they are not English words. They are Afan Oromo words, you see. So they means what? Of means oneself. An jechuun ani jechuudha. Na jechuun me jechuudha. At means ati short form. As means here. Ach means there. In means he and also ni. So our today's session is all about this. As we have English of, we have Afan Oromo of. As we have English an, we have Afan Oromo an. በአፋን ኦሮሞ ኦፍ ማለት ራሴ ማለት ሲሆን በእንግሊሽ ደግሞ ሾ ፖሴሽን ሀብትን የሆነ ደግሞ እንደ መስተዋድድ ሆኖ የሚገባ ነው። It has other meaning than Afan Oromo. An is also an article in English, but in Afan Oromo, an is a short form of ani. So galatooma baay'ee galatooma jechoonni Afaan Oromoo ta'anii haala afaan Ingiliffaatiin barreeffaman yookiin immoo akka waan afaan Ingiliffaa warra afaan Ingiliffaa keessa jiran wal fakkaatan. Of kan jedhu, an kan jedhu, na kan jedhu, at kan jedhu, as, ach, in kan jedhu Afaan Oromoo ta'uu isaanii Ingiliffa keessa akkuma jiran Afaan Oromoo keessas barreeffamni akkanaa jiraachuu amma tokko hubannoo isinii kennuufi galatooma itti fufaa barumsa Afaan Oromoo barachuuf nu wajjin waan taataniif guddaa galatooma. I thank you very much for watching and for being with me. Amasagnaalloo yeroo gaarii guyyaa gaarii. Have a nice time. So you can subscribe and you can bilisa maamila keenya ta'uu dandeessu. It's free to subscribe. Thank you very much.